Guys, look at this British weather. It's a joke. It's actually a joke. But holiday prep. I'm gonna get my nails done now. Look at this one all on my face. Get my nails done. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get my feet done today or tomorrow. Get my hair done tomorrow and my lashes tomorrow. So yeah, this weather is atrocious. Gosh.
He's in, he's called Dr. Tyler. Oh, this is so completely out of control.
We'll get you better. I'll get you better. Alright? Yeah.
Have you found him yet? No. Where's my husband?
That's what I wanted to say. He's in the TV lounge.
So thank God it's not raining. The nails are done. I haven't had long nails like this. Okay, they're not even that long, but I haven't had nails this length since before my kiddies. Yeah, since before my kids I haven't had nails this length. So I don't even know how I'm gonna braid my daughter's hair today with these nails. Like, they are so freaking cute. I can't go to anyone else but my cousin to get my nails done because she slays every time. Guys, I'm on my way to the lash appointment. Sorry, this angle is not flattering. I'm on my way to my lash appointment and I'm late. Hate being late. Hate being late. Oh man, I'm like 3-minute walk away, so yeah. When I get there, guys, you will see. Making TikToks. So I just got my lashes done and now it's time to get feet done. Everyone looking at me, let me go in the shop. Thank you so much. Oh, eyebrows done. Love them.
Young on the one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Bentley spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the QP, I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million. I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. ACC wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I make me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Give us my only decision.
So I'm on my way to get my hair did because looking at this is embarrassing. I'm happy the lashes are done, the nails are did. Everything is just flowing. One of the little teddy bears fell off my nail. And that's because it got caught onto my son's buggy. So I haven't recorded everything today. It's been very, very hectic. I can't even lie to you, it's been very hectic. Like, just getting the kids to nursery early and running to my lash appointment, running to go and get the nails sorted, running to get my feet done. I'm exhausted. I'm so exhausted. And now I'm on my way to get my hair did. I can't wait to look like a human. Oh my gosh. I'm so tired. Woo. I hope my phone has battery by the time, or I might ask the girl that's doing my hair if I can charge my phone, because I've got like 10% because I've been out since 7 o'clock in the morning and now it's almost 4 o'clock, so my phone's basically dead. About to get my hair done, but I've got 3% battery, so let's hope for the best. Okay, so it's the next morning. Last night I really fell asleep and I was so tired. I didn't get home till like 11 something at night, so after the hair was done, so I was literally exhausted, and I kind of just went to bed. So yeah, but new vlog coming because we're going Portugal.